See, even with all the crazy talk about Bitcoin regulation and governments not liking Bitcoin and crypto in general, China and the United States both have a ton of Bitcoin on their balance sheets. And it'll be interesting to see how this plays out, to see if one or the other continues to accumulate while maybe the other maybe just continues to hold and stop accumulating. But China's losing money right now as Bitcoin's price tumbles, but so is everybody else if they're heavily invested in Bitcoin. This video is not about that. I want to actually compare at least the records that we have, how much Bitcoin China holds versus the US. And we'll dive into that a little bit in detail here in this video. Appreciate you guys as always for stopping in. And so their Bitcoin stashes fell by 388 million. Of course, that's with Bitcoin tumbling from 31,000 to 29. The total value of their Bitcoin fell by 388 million to around 5.4 billion overall. All right. So that number is actually down even further now, given the price of Bitcoin has come down. But on record, it shows that China holds 194,000 Bitcoin. Here's the other one, though, 833,000 ETH and a variety of other unnamed cryptos. These digital assets were confiscated from the Plus token scam back in 2019 and were worth over $3 billion at the time. And fun fact, government of China is a crypto whale. Chinese authorities seized 194K Bitcoin, 833K in ETH, and others from the Plus token scam in 2019. They forfeited these $6 billion worth of assets to the national treasury. To give you an idea, MicroStrategy has 130K Bitcoins, which is pretty nuts. According to reports, these assets were tied to the country's national treasury. Whether the Chinese government still holds these assets remains unknown. There is no official Bitcoin address to verify the status of these coins. And all users had to pay for registration using crypto, mainly BTC, of the Plus token scam that was back in 2018 where it started, taking advantage of unsuspecting people who thought they could make quick money from an investment opportunity. 6 Chinese nationals were arrested during this year. And now, how about the United States? Because they too are a crypto leader, especially when it comes to mining. Recently, mining was outlawed in China and forcing crypto miners, mainly of Bitcoin, to other jurisdictions. A lot of them came to the United States. According to trackers, the largest public Bitcoin mining companies now are in the U.S. Riot Blockchain is a $1.82 billion market cap. That is the largest publicly listed Bitcoin mining company with a market cap of $1.82 billion, as we mentioned. So keep this number in mind because I'm going to hop over and tell you how much the U.S. holds, at least that we know of. Chinese authorities, again, it's said that they are sitting on 194,000 Bitcoin. Now, the U.S. government currently holds, on record, 205,000, at least from the information we have, valued at $5.66 billion. This was, back in March of 2023. So not too long ago, late March. These Bitcoins were confiscated in 3 different cases, including the Silk Road Bitcoin seizure in November 2020, the 2022 Bitfinex hack confiscation, and the seizure of Bitcoins from James Zong last year. So technically speaking, on record, U.S. has a little bit more Bitcoin on their balance sheet than China, but it sounds like China has some other altcoins and a ton of Ethereum. Does the U.S. have that? I don't know. Drop your guys' thoughts, comments down below. Interesting idea here. And let me know if you like this topic. Maybe we can do a little deeper dive into this and break this down a little bit further in the future. Let me know down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. We're here every single day. Appreciate you guys. Peace.